Take a look at this original footage. It's soft, blurry, and completely lacking in detail. You can barely make out the texture. But now, check out the same clip after enhancing it with HitPaw Edimakor. Sharper edges, clearer textures, and a stunning 4K look, all in just a few clicks. In today's video, let me show you how to do it. Step 1. Download HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, simply click the link in the description to download and install it on your computer. Step 2. Enhance the video. Once you open HitPaw Edimakor, go to Video Enhance. Here, you'll find a range of AI-powered tools designed to improve video quality. From the all-rounder general model for boosting clarity, to specialized models for old movies, low-light footage, cinematic content, and gaming clips, there is a tool for every scenario. Beyond the AI enhancer, there are also several other specialized tools here. For example, quality repair is optimized for sharpening details. Portrait repair is optimized for enhancing faces. Colorize can even bring old black and white footage back to life. Color enhancer is optimized for fixing dull colors. And they all support up to 4K resolution. Each of these enhancement models supports video files up to 30 minutes long, so make sure your clip fits within that limit to get the best results. You can pick the perfect model for your specific footage. Import your footage, set the output resolution to 4K, and let the AI handle the heavy lifting. Let's take a look at the results. The edges are incredibly sharp now, and even when I zoom in, the details are still perfectly crisp. It looks just as good as footage shot natively in 4K. Step 3. Publish to get free credits. Once you finish editing, don't forget to share it on social media when exporting. Tag hashtag #EdimakorAI to earn 60 free credits. Honestly, HitPaw Edimakor makes video enhancement super easy and fast. That's the power of AI. If you want to turn your old videos into masterpieces, go download it now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in the next one.